Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Lemon8 app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just click on apps. Come to apps list. In here you're looking for Lemon8 app, or just click on search. Then here at Lemon8, it's going to show for you like this here. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on Forcestop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.